Ha, günaydın baba, nasılsın? Senin de haberin olsun. Nasılsın?
Burada iyiyim. Burada iyiyim.
İyi, güzel.
İskenderun'daki gibi ne su, ne elektrik, ne tuvalet.
At around 8 p.m. February 20th local time, another earthquake had just stricken southern Turkey with a 6.4 magnitude.
Jen, a Turkish national in Foshan now working as an expert in quality department of Midea factory.
Evet.
Doesn't hesitate one second to check out on his father back home. In fact, a video call with his father has become part of his daily routine this day.
Hala deprem oluyor mu orada? Haber alıyor mu? Ben buradan haber alamıyorum şimdi.
He told us his home city Iskendrum is one of the most effective area in the disaster.
While I was preparing a coffee, I was looking at the news from Turkey, and I saw an earthquake happen, and I directly tried to call my father, but I couldn't connect at the beginning. And approximately 1.5 hours later, my sister called me back. She said, our house is very badly damaged, but father is escaped. Unfortunately, I lost 5 relatives. Should be. After the earthquake, all my colleagues came to me. They were like, do you need any help and any support? I also saw Chinese friends and foreign friends from all over the world, all joined hands together, buy supplies, donate materials, find logistics. I am very moved. Thank you so much for supporting to my hometown.
So our Foshan News Media, we reach out to this rescue team locally from Foshan.
I am following up a lot of media in Foshan, in Guangzhou. Rescue teams were dispatched here overnight to Turkey in the greatest support of the relief effort. They are working well. I really feel very proud and comfortable, yes. And I really feel very proud to hear that because China is very far away to that area, but China directly respond to send any help, any support. I think 1.5 days later, everybody is still talking about the tools that Chinese teams used in this area. Very high technology. I saw a lot of kids, also Chinese teams rescued. They are rescued from under the building.
谢谢中国来的佛山狼山救援队，谢谢支持我们土耳其灾区。
We have also, our consulate is really working also very, very hard from the beginning. Still, he is working very hard in the warehouse now to deliver the goods to help to the affected area. Of course, kids, they were also willing to go. When I say to them, let's go to the warehouse to help logistics, to help packaging the material to be delivered to Turkey. They are working well. I really feel very proud and comfortable, yes. People, and when I see from my friends' post, we should be strong and hopeful for the future. And I am really appreciated for the China help. As I am living in China since 5 years, I feel ganjue. Ganjue. I also feel very proud to be a member of this.
Definitely as an employee in this